Okay, I got one server left here. This is I have no idea what this one is. And the drive bay doesn't open here. I don't think this one has any actual drives in it though. Come out at all. It does not look like it's got an actual drive in it. We're getting everything inside. Got a nice big heat sink here. Okay, got a bunch of, well, these are plastic spacers. These, however, are fans. Put those to the side. We've got what appears to be, there we go, a small power board. These guys are clear. So we got one power board here with a couple, let's see if I can get the wires out of the way, a couple copper bearing items, one little MOSFET there, mainly some capacitors and a few chips. Backside's got some more chips and some more surface mount items. Let's see what we got here for a processor. For this heat sink, that's actually a nice heat sink. I'm not sure if that's copper or not. Could well be. This will be a big aluminum plate. We definitely have what looks to be a copper plate on the bottom here. Not sure how deep that goes or what. And some copper tubing here as well. That's a nice big one. We do have a processor here. Expect it to once again be a surface mount or a pinless processor again. And let's see. Intel Core Duo SLA95 E4500 2.2 gigahertz. So we'll have to check that out, see if there's any value there. Doubtful, but we shall see. In terms of RAM sticks, these are unshielded RAM sticks, unlike the other ones. Two gig. Yep. We got another heat sink here. That's a nice little chunk of aluminum. Another processor that's a BGA processor. Let's see what else we got in here. So this one definitely does have another DVD-ROM drive on it. Nice cabling here. These will have gold fingers on them. This should have some gold pins on there as well. One peripheral card here, which is probably a I'm not sure what this one is, but we got two gold corner BGAs on here. We got a small aluminum heat sink with some kind of another BGA processor there, flat packs, gold corner gold banded oscillator, crystal oscillator, some kind of a little sister board on here with a couple of items on it, another gold banded crystal oscillator, lots of what look to be MLCCs and whatnot, some more gold pins on it. This probably has gold pins inside it, gold fingers on both sides, more flat packs and BGAs, lots of surface mount components as well. Here. This is another of those cards that changes the orientation, so you can put your cards in horizontally instead of vertically. Gold pins all along here, probably gold pins in here as well, both sides. That's a piece of steel. Another screw here. There's got to be more. There's one right there in the middle. So the main processor board We got another aluminum heat sink here. Looks like it's screwed in from the bottom. Yep. Okay, we've got another heat sink here. So we can pop this one off. Those thingamabobbers out of the way. And we might be able to pop that guy off. Nice little green aluminum heatsink there. Gold corner BGA, gold corner BGA, processor, the battery here to take off. Crystal oscillator, crystal oscillator, crystal oscillator, crystal oscillator. Of course, lots of aluminum capacitors. What appear to be, at first I would say that those are crystal oscillators here as well, but I'm not positive on those. Some kind of a chip or something there. Flat pack, more BGAs, chips and whatnot on here. One copper bearing item there. That's a buzzer. We have gold pins along these guys here. Probably not in those. Some of these guys will have gold pins in them. These, that will definitely have gold in them. These are probably just power connectors, so they probably won't have gold in them. These guys look like they've got gold plating on them. These probably not. Backside, got a few MLCCs and other surface mount components in here. Some of them are getting really tiny again. One looks like 10 ohm capacitor there. I'd like to see if I can get this. Oh yeah, pops right off. That's another piece of steel. Just happy to see it pop off cleanly. So that's it for that board. Decent board. We'll clear it up later. So that's all the back side of this. Looks like the front side's just got one more board in here, and then the drive. That screw. That screw. Here's this front board here. Chips, crystal oscillator, some more MLCCs. Looks like this one may actually be flashed in gold. I have to get rid of the masking to know for sure, but it definitely looks more gold than copper. Lots of gold pins on here, gold plated pins and whatnot. So another decent but small board there. Looks like we got some kind of a switch in here. So yeah, we got a little switch though, has some silver contacts on it. Now we're off to just drive. So standard little DVD-ROM drive here. There should be another piece in here for caddy. I'm just trying to figure out how to get the little power switch and everything out. Don't see anything there. Don't see anything there. I guess we'll get it out the easy way, which is just whack it with a hammer or something. Well, that doesn't seem to be doing very much. See one small screw down there. not an easy location, and this is all riveted together. Do light the fire. Spocky. The connector was blocking the other screw. There's the connector. So this has just got the LEDs and a switch in it, a couple switches, 3 switches. So get a little bit of work to get that out. Oh well. The rest of this is just steel shred. So that's it for today. We did wind up with, let's see if I can get everything out here. So we got another DVD-ROM drive to take apart. DVD-ROM drive to take apart, a little bit of wiring, a pseudo power board. This is not the actual power board. Those were slotted in from the back. This is just some kind of a you know, it's taking the main source of power and breaking it apart, because those power boards are modular. But a good bit of wire on there, a few little copper items on it. Nice big, what appears to be copper and aluminum heat sink. I need to remove the pins from. That's that. This one I'll probably keep a hold of because this appears to be copper. Bottom plate is definitely copper. Only this side is aluminum. Yeah, there's no more steel in it. Well, no, there's no more steel in it. I'm just hopeful that all of this is copper and not aluminum for this top piece. Let's see, do I have my file here? It definitely looks copper. So yeah, that's copper. So all these fins are copper. This plate is probably not copper. Let's take a look at it real quick. Yeah, that's definitely aluminum. And then this plate on the bottom is copper as well. So we'll have to come back in and try and remove all that. Try and remove it manually to get the copper off. We shall see if it can be done easily. And then obviously the boards here. Got a lot of gold pins, some gold flashing, processors that we'll have to get to and whatnot. Not sure if this came off this board or one of the others, but it's got gold fingers on it. So it needs to go in this gold recovery bucket. So, and then of course the memory cards, RAM sticks, and the processor. That's everything that we got out of this server. Okay, so this one's okay, but it's broken, so I'll probably just trash that one. Okay, I think that's gonna be it for today, guys. Have a good one.